Morning traders, Nick Massandreo, Market Tea Leaves, here to bring you our daily market bias video for Friday, April 4th. It's approximately 5:40 a.m. in the East Coast. And if we would take a look at the overnight session, Asia closed mainly to the downside, with the exception of the Aussie exchange, which closed flat, and the Shanghai exchange, which closed fractionally higher. Currently, right now in Europe, all of Europe is trading to the high side. The only exception is the Spanish IBEX exchange, which is down fractionally, if you will. Other than that, the rest of Europe is trading to the high side. Of course, it didn't exactly hurt that German factory orders came in slightly higher than expected, and therefore we suspected this served to drive their markets a bit higher. If we were to take a look at market correlation as it stands, currencies in terms of the U.S. dollar is currently trading up. A short while ago it was down. However, that's changed slightly, although we do think it's probably going to go lower today. Crude in terms of oil is trading higher. It's been trading higher pretty much all morning long. Again, whereas technically there is no correlation between the U.S. dollar and crude as of this writing, again, we do suspect that will change. We think that the U.S. dollar is probably going to go down, and oil will continue to go a bit higher, if you will, or trade higher. Financials in terms of the 30-year bond is trading lower. It's been trading lower pretty much all morning long. Indices in terms of the S&P, NASDAQ, Dow Jones, all pointing to the high side today. Metals in terms of gold is also trading higher. Now, we would take a look at the economic news on the docket for U.S. markets. Today, it's all about the jobs. It is Jobs Friday, and therefore our bias is neutral. It is always neutral on Jobs Friday, and I'll explain to you why in a moment. So we do have non-farm employment change, the unemployment rate, and we have our average hourly earnings. That's it for for news on the U.S. market. So pretty much today, it's all going to be about the jobs, if you will. Our bias is neutral, very simply because it is Jobs Friday, and as such, we always maintain a neutral bias on Jobs Friday. Hang on one second. Okay. The reason for that is very simply because, historically speaking, the markets have never shown any sense of normalcy on this particular day. Technically, the market is correlated to the upside, and I do point that out in Market Tea Leaves. However, for ourselves, we will maintain a neutral bias, once again, given the fact that it is Jobs Friday. Could this change? Absolutely. Anything can happen in a volatile market. Thanks. Hope this helps. Look forward to the next time with you.